Okay people, this afternoon we got a little Renown with a little 2-wick homemade burner to go in it. There you go. We'll put that in there and give it a second to see if she'll go again. 2-wick burner, of course, when you've got a central flue, gives you a bit of flame either side of that flue. Instead of it all going up the chimney, hits the base of the boiler and you're away. Like that, you see. Now I know you're going to look at this and say it's got no safety valve on it. Well, it has. It's got a safety valve there. I missed that. There. It's got no whistle, but that's a stainless plug in there. Whistles are always the first thing to go, as you know. I don't know where you get a Renown whistle from. Anyhow, it's a tidy little thing, really. I had to resolder all that piping and that on because it was all pushed in, and it had changed the angle of the cylinder and one thing, and the timing was all out on it. But she's, as you can see, she's a goer there now. Renown. It's not really powerful enough to bite your fingers off, so. But she's a flyer. Okay, thanks for watching people. A couple of minutes, so that's enough. Bye now.